everyone! Today me and my dad together are going to draw a bag or a handbag or a purse. Let's start with our markers. First, draw 2 circles in the middle of your paper. Not too far. And in that, draw 3 circles. Alright. And draw a line. And then, it's like a rainbow. They're rainbow, I guess. And then draw lines. Oops. Now I'm done. Then in the middle, draw a line like this. And then draw from here a C. And another one in the backwards, in the front, which is ulte. And then draw on the other side another C, which is the right way. And then draw another one. And draw a swirly line. Then draw another swirly line. Then from here, draw a line, a cloud. Then copy that. And then do that. And then draw swirl. And then draw another swirl. And draw lines on that swirl. And draw down. And draw another down. Alright. We are done, I think. We're not. A pattern now. And my dad's drawing flowers, I'll draw something else. How about I'll draw I have an idea. It's a tree. And one flower. I'm done. Actually, we both are done. Well, this is how the bag looks. Now we may have to color. We are done coloring the main area. Alright. I'm going to use my red for this part. I'm going to color inside this. Now I'll do my dad's parts with it. Here it is. We're using black because inside the bag is dark. Now we'll use our red. I'm done coloring. Now I'll go shopping. I'll pack my stuff in. I need this color to color that bag. Bye!